We can't wait to bring the man of the moment who's given Nepal highs and highs, wins and wins, smiles and smiles. Sandeep Lamichhane, if you could come by. The superstar, 150 wickets. It's a big roar from everywhere. What an effort, what a performer. 3 for 47 today, 22 wickets across the two legs in Nepal. 150, the fastest to do so. One of the best leg spinners in the world. Sandeep, we know the love and the adulation and we can see it over there. What does it mean to you, Sandeep? For a 14-year-old who was spotted and after that becoming the global ambassador to take Nepal cricket to the world stage.
It feels special, when you make your debut for your country and then you represent your country day by day, match by match, and you step on the field with one dream, you want to keep the flag always high, and never imagined in my life, I would be achieving something like this feat, but it's good to be on the records book, and pretty special moment for me, for my family, for friends, for everyone who has been wishing, praying for me all these years, and I hope to continue in the same way and break many more records whichever comes across.
You've just started, Sandeep. There's a long way to go. You're only 25, but you'd like to dedicate or thank somebody after getting this far, people who've really been behind you?
Yeah, of course. I would like to dedicate it to my niece. She's no more, but she's been the reason behind my jersey number, to everything. Whatever I've been achieving so far in my life. Sometimes I get emotional about that, but she must be sending her blessings to me, and I'm very proud. And it would be really, really small part to describe what it means to me, but I'm pretty lucky enough to have so many people in my life who has been praying for me, who has been wishing to for me to achieve a lot of good things in life.
Sandeep, it's been an emotional ride for you over here. I can see you're going through a sense of emotions and an avalanche, but your niece is certainly very happy and looking down from up and saying, well done, Sandy uncle.
Thank you.